Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of phyllo dough, about 3 cups of chopped nuts, 1 cup of melted butter, and ingredients for a simple syrup, 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Remember to thaw your phyllo dough slowly in the fridge. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now for the fun part, layering. Start by generously brushing the bottom of your prepared pan with melted butter. Then, carefully lay down about 10 sheets of phyllo dough, brushing each individual sheet with butter as you go. This creates a rich, flaky base. Next, sprinkle 1/3 of your chopped nuts evenly over these phyllo layers. We'll repeat this process 2 more times to build up those delicious layers. Once all your layers are in place, top the final nut layer with about 15 to 20 more buttered phyllo sheets. Now, before baking, it's crucial to cut your baklava into your desired shapes, like diamonds or squares. This helps the syrup penetrate later. Bake it in your preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. The internal temperature should reach 200 degrees Fahrenheit. While your baklava bakes, let's make the sweet syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil for about 5 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice or a cinnamon stick for extra flavor. Once the baklava comes out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled syrup over the hot pastry. Let it cool completely for several hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.